Educlipper is the Pinterest for educators, and it is a forum where teachers share ideas and things that they have created in their classes so that teachers all over the world can also share in their creativity. On this screen, you have an example of everything that we find on Educlipper, from lesson plans to um, directions on how to create specific things, to examples of things that have worked for other teachers in their classes. And you can have Educlippers. Educlips, you can have it as clipboards and also as portfolio. So in your classes, you can actually assign your students to create their own portfolio or their Educlipboards or Educlips as assignments. To start up, you have to create an account, and you're given an opportunity to create an account as a student or as an educator. So let's go ahead and click as a student. So this gives you an opportunity to create using the code that is provided by your teacher. So Educlipper gives teachers that flexibility of using technology for their individual students. So an educator or a teacher creates an account, then gives that code to his or her class students to be able to create their own account. Then the teacher is able to follow up what the students are posting on their boards. So as an educator, it asks you for your username and your first name and all of that good stuff. Then it also wants to know your school, so you should be able to type the name of your school here. So let's just close this and go back to create. So as a student, it asks students to enter their code, and that is a code that is provided by a teacher. So for time's sake, let us just go ahead to an already open account. So this is what an Educlipper account looks like. So we are able to find my stuff, which is all the things that we have created in our account. And so if you see here, we have your class, and then you can go back and you have your portfolio. So these are just examples of the finished product of Educlipper. And so it is an interesting site that you can explore, and I will just go ahead to click on each of them to see how you can actually create an Educlip. So in this case, you want to create an Educlip, you go to you want to create it as a website or as a document or a video or an image, and that applies to Educlipboards. It gives you the opportunity to create your own clipboard. So in a clipboard, you find Educlips. So you have so this is an Educlipboard with various Educlips on them. Then a portfolio also gives you the opportunity to post more than one or more Educlips or Educlipboards. So that is just a summary of how you can utilize this tool that connects teachers, and you can share, you can follow someone, and you can equally be followed by others. So it is an open source that teachers can collaborate. So actually you can connect with teachers in different parts of the world, or if you're a student, you're working on a project, you can connect with other students.